Hi guys, and once again welcome back to my channel. I am so super duper excited. I don't know why, but I'm just so excited, and my sister is interrupting my video. Shower. That aside, she's gone now. Like I said, today I'm going to do a very ordinary look, not spooky. I promise this is not scary at all. So yeah, I'm doing a really cute pigmented eyeshadow look today. Not spooky, I repeat, it's very easy. So if you want to see how I create it, stay tuned and keep on watching. Oh yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Okay, now that we're back, I'm going to go off camera and do my base real quick. I'll be right back. Now that the base is done, I'm going to go in with the Sacha Buttercup Satin Powder just to set this area around here. As you can see, I'm just slightly dabbing it under my eye area. This will prevent all the excess pigmented shadow I'm going to apply from ruining my concealer. A little on the forehead as well. Now I'm brushing off all the excess powder I added in those areas because you don't want it to be so bright or else you'll be looking like a masquerade. Moving on to the brows, I promise I'm going to do a full video on how to draw your brows, but this is just like a recap on how to draw your brows. So yeah, it's just brushing, painting, brushing again, added some powder, and then putting your concealer, which is one shade lighter than your skin, to pop the brows. Also make sure that you blend the concealer thoroughly. You don't want it to be looking so messy and not blended. So yeah, blend it so well. Okay, at this point I almost gave up because my batteries were down and there was no light, but I continued anyway. I just applied a lighter pink shade, not pigmented, from my shadow palette on my crease. I then went in with my super pigmented eyeshadow. Using my hands, I'm just dabbing it all over my lid and a little bit up my crease. I feel like it puts or makes it stick more to my lids while using my hands. Then went in with a brush to blend it. I added a lighter pink shade from my palette, the one I used before, just to give it that pigmented neon look. Oh yes, and the powder worked really well, like I said it would. Then moving on, I went in with a liner. You don't want too much liner for this look because you're applying big lashes anyway. Quiet tip for all of you: if you're applying a false lashes, mascara is your #1 priority. I then went in with my Juvia's Palace eyeshadow palette, choose the lighter color and pop it right there. It gives you that baby look. Then went ahead with my liner. I didn't plan on doing a smoky on the eye, but then it just happened. Just be creative. One mistake may lead to another creativity, so just play with your stuffs and trust the process, you know. Then I went in with my Naked 5 and highlighted my face, you know, the cheekbone, the on the brow, my nose, my forehead, my chin, everywhere. Moving on to my lip, I just took my darkest brown lip liner and lined my lip. You're here with me to be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better with. Then I went in with Bestland nude lipstick. You can use any nude lipstick you have. From the first time I stayed for a long. Then I went in with my Kiss Beauty satin spray. It's almost finished, but then it works. So there you have it. This look was really fun to create and it's very easy, super easy. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and then I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.